Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Crosstrek tow hook is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for Subaru Crosstrek owners who frequently venture off the beaten path or need to tow small trailers, providing a robust attachment point for recovery straps or light-duty towing. This video will delve into the features, installation process, and overall value of this essential upgrade, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your Subaru Crosstrek. Number 5. CURT 13135 Trailer Hitch. It's rated for 3,500 pounds, gross trailer weight and 525 pounds, tongue weight, ensuring safe and reliable towing. This makes it perfect for a variety of hauling needs. It features a standard 2-inch receiver, opening up a world of possibilities. You can easily attach a ball mount, cargo carrier, bike rack, or other accessories. This hitch has undergone extensive testing in real-world conditions to meet the highest safety standards. Your safety is our priority. It boasts a unique dual-coat finish for superior protection against rust, chipping, and UV rays. This ensures it will withstand the elements and look great for years to come. Designed for a custom fit on select Subaru Crosstrek and 15 models, installation is straightforward. It seamlessly integrates with your vehicle. With its robust design and easy installation, it's ready to handle your towing needs. Get yours today and start exploring. What we like. It boasts a hefty weight capacity and a versatile design that accommodates various towing needs. Installation is a breeze. If you need a reliable hitch for serious towing or hauling, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation was amazingly simple, completed well within an hour. I used a round metal file to widen the hole enough to accommodate the bolts. Fits perfectly. I was a little worried about messing with the car frame for installation, but then I found the video from eTrailer.com and I had no problem with installation. I suggest a Dremel or something similar to grind the hole. Installation really takes no more than 15 minutes, but you do need a second pair of hands to lift the hitch in place. The hitch itself looks to be well made and lines up perfectly with the holes in the Crosstrek's frame. I have only used it to haul my bike rack, but it is very sturdy and I cannot foresee any issues with hauling a trailer. Number 4. DEWHEL JDM Tow Hook. This high-quality tow hook is made from lightweight billet aluminum. It's designed for safe towing without bumper damage. It's CNC machined for precision and strength. This ensures a secure connection when towing your vehicle. Use it for front or rear towing, offering flexibility for various situations. It's a must-have for enthusiasts. It's designed to fit various models including the Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, WRXT, and Toyota GT86. Check compatibility for your specific year. This is an officially licensed DEWHEL product, ensuring quality and reliability. It's exclusively available from DEWHEL. Installation is straightforward and can be done quickly. Detailed instructions are included for a smooth process. What we like. Made from lightweight, high-quality aluminum, it ensures safe towing without bumper damage. It's also suitable for front or rear use. If you prioritize safety and lightweight design, this is your best bet. What people say. The paint finish is superb. It looks nice and fits well on the rear of my 2023 GR86. I use these for my kayaks and they are perfect for adding some space between your tie-downs and trunk hood of your car. I had enough space I didn't need a towel or anything on my hood or trunk to stop from rubbing. The nut makes it fully adjustable. Number 3. Red Tow Hook Kit for Subaru and Scion. This kit gives your Subaru or Scion a race-inspired look. It's easy to install and adds a touch of style. It's built with high-quality billet aluminum and heavy-duty steel. This ensures durability and a lightweight design. Installation takes just minutes. You'll be enjoying its stylish look in no time. The unique foldable design is a safety feature. It prevents it from catching on anything while parked. Tow your car safely without bumper damage. It also dramatically improves the sporty look of your vehicle. It's designed to fit specific Subaru and Scion models. Check the compatibility to ensure a perfect fit for your car. What we like. This option combines heavy-duty steel with a clever foldable design for safety and style. Installation is quick and easy. If you want a durable, stylish, and safe towing hook, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit on my 2018 Forester XT. Well made and very good directions. The tow ring was exactly as described and fit perfectly in my 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. Installed on my 2017 Subaru Forester. You can tell it's solid steel the moment you pick it up. Number 2. Scion Can't Fly Tow Hook. This racing-style tow hook instantly transforms your Subaru's look. It's a stylish addition that enhances the sporty aesthetic of your vehicle. Made from durable, anodized red T6061 billet aluminum, it's built to last. This ensures strength and a long-lasting, vibrant color. It's designed specifically for various Subaru models, including the BRZ, WRX, and STI. Installation is easy, no modifications are needed. Give your car an aggressive, race-inspired look. It's perfect for car shows or track days, adding a touch of motorsport flair. Remember, it's for aesthetic purposes only. Always use your vehicle's original tow hook for actual towing. What we like. It's designed to enhance your car's sporty look while being made of durable aluminum. Installation is simple and straightforward. If you're looking to add a touch of racing style without compromising quality, this is perfect. What people say. The threading fits and it is nice that it sticks out a little more beyond the front bumper unlike the OEM tow pin. Seems durably made with good finishes and quality components. Easy to install and looks great, good quality. Number 1. AUTOHAUX Tow Hook for Subaru. This is the AUTOHAUX Tow Hook, designed for superior strength and durability. It's made from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. Tow your vehicle safely and confidently. It's engineered to protect your front bumper from damage during towing. It fits various Subaru and Toyota models, including Impreza, WRX, WRX STI, BRZ, 86, and Scion FRS. Please check the fitment details to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Installation is quick and easy. Simply screw it onto your vehicle's designated mounting point. No special tools are required. It's constructed from durable aluminum alloy, built to withstand the rigors of towing. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. With a screw length of 24 mm and a size of M16x1.5, it's precision engineered for a perfect fit. Double-check your vehicle's specifications before ordering. What we like. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers a precise fit and quick installation. If you value a strong, well-fitting, and easy-to-install tow hook, this is an excellent option. What people say. Super easy to install, looks really great and ready for action. This fits a 2023 Crosstrek no problem and it looks great. Perfect fit for my 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.